Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Coinbase account in the UK. First, navigate to the Coinbase website or download their mobile application. Look for the Get Started button, usually prominent on the home page, and click it. You'll then need to input your full name, email address, and choose a strong password. After submitting, check your email for a verification link and click it to confirm your address. This is a crucial first step to secure your account. Next, you'll need to verify your identity, which is a standard security measure. Have a valid photo identification ready, such as your passport or a driver's license. Coinbase will guide you through uploading images of your document and may require a quick selfie to match your face to the ID. Make sure the photos are clear, well-lit, and all information is legible to avoid delays in the verification process. Once your identity is verified, the next step is to link a payment method to your Coinbase account. You can typically choose between linking a bank account directly or using a debit card. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely connect your chosen method. For bank accounts, this might involve a small test transaction that you'll need to confirm, ensuring everything is set up correctly for future deposits and withdrawals. With your payment method linked, you're ready to deposit funds into your Coinbase account. Navigate to the Buy/Sell section and choose the amount you wish to add. Once your funds are available, you can begin exploring the wide range of cryptocurrencies offered and start buying or selling. It's an exciting step into the world of digital assets. Also, for other great deals and to grab some Little Trees black ice, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.